Hello everyone from CAD-Tech 3D. This video is long overdue, but I thought now is the time to produce it as more and more people are getting very inquisitive about it. Some are also fascinated. The biggest mystery for most people is that there's no visible fibre optic, and what the hell is that switch doing at the other end? Well, you're just about to find out. Ordinarily, all our sites use fibre optics for the site picture. They are relatively inexpensive and have a reasonable light gathering ability, but they suffer from one thing. They need daylight or ambient light to work. Fibre optics work best on bright sunny days, but they are quite ineffective on dull days too. You can't use them for night hunting, even when there is a full moon, so we thought, why rely on the sun when you can create your own illumination using an LED, which is light on demand, 24/7 with two predetermined intensities. You literally turn the LED on by simply flicking the switch at the other end, turn it to the right, and that will select the high intensity. And there you go there. As you can see, that is a very high intensity LED light as well. You won't see the switch in your field of view because, as you know, you don't actually look for a fibre optic site. The circle of light is a reference point, which is your site picture. What you're seeing here is the high intensity mode. And you would certainly use it on a very bright sunny day, but on dull days you could argue that it's too bright. That's not a problem. So we go back to our intensity mode. If you flick the switch to the full extreme left, it's now on dull mode, or what you might regard as night mode. When you're done shooting, literally put the switch in the central position and the LED is off. There's a choice of 4 colours with this site, which is red, which we've illustrated here. There's green, yellow, and also blue. My personal choice is red, but that's because I use it for clay pigeon shooting, and it gives a great contrast from what is a predominantly green background, and it's good against the grey or blue sky as well. This sample is obviously for fitting to a picatinny rail, but we're currently developing this site so that it can be fitted to vent ribs. Well, I hope this answers some, if not all, of your questions. If not, please send me an email to brian@cadtech3d.co.uk and I will answer you within the hour at best, or the same day at worst. So that's all from me, and thanks for watching. Bye.